Welcome to this video. In this is the third video I'm doing, and in this video we'll be looking into tables. Before that, we have done lots of things. Please go through the last two videos so that you can understand the basics of OpenOffice. So far, we have covered, and let us add the table. So we have menu bar. In the menu bar, you can find the table menu. So go and click the table menu, and you have insert option, and if you go to the insert option you will find that there is an option after insert. In the insert, that table, so you can click the table option, or you can go for the shortcut key, that is Control F4. So insert table, if I click, then one dialog box will come, insert table, and it is showing the name of the table, columns and rows you want, and there are other things we'll reveal one by one. So let me give the name of the table as my table. So this is my table. So this is my table. I have given the name my table. You can choose the column. So let me increase the size, increase the column. There is an up arrow. If I click, it will increase. If I click the down arrow, it will decrease. So if I am clicking the up arrow, it is making 5 columns, and the row also I am increasing to 4. Okay, and then let me increase the rows to 4, and there is an auto format. If I click here, you will find that the format is there already formatted. Some designs are there. Whatever design you like the most, you can select here, select from here. So any format that is good for you or your purpose, you can go with it. Let me select this one and click OK. And then if I click OK again in my insert table menu, then this is the table that I will see. Once the table is there in our form, I will get a table menu, a table this hovering menu. Okay, so this menu is very much helpful for us to format the table very quickly. So what are that? What are those? Let me see. Before that, if I try to add something in this, so we have filled with the data. The table have covered the things. Some random data we have added here, and so let us see the our style. What are those things actually? So if I click this, so I will find that some automatic, you see, I can add something here. So if I click in the particular cell only, it is added another table. Okay, so this first one is for table. This is something. What is that for? That is for top, and this is for center, and this is for bottom. So what actually it is, let me, now you will get. So now that you can see the data is in top. If I click the center, the data will come in the center. If I click bottom, then it will go to the bottom. So let me click the center one. The next one is insert a row. So if I click, one row will come here. So if I click here, you can see it is written insert row. Okay, and here you can see insert row, and this is will be insert column. So clicking insert row, you can see very quickly it is inserting the row. If I click insert column, then it will insert a column. Okay, just the last of the fifth, after the fifth row, it is adding one. If you want to delete, just click here and click this delete column, And if you want to delete row, then click in a row and click this delete row. Now let us see what is this. This is the border, so click in a particular cell and click here, and you can see lots of border are there. You can put some border here. What is this? The line style. So if I click here, you can see the border style, border line style is, I can select from here. There are lots of styles. Okay, so better to select the complete table and go here and select the style, and you can see the style is changing. Okay, you can see the style. Border also I can give. So all the, again it's gone, so let me select style. So this is what it looks like. Background color also I can select from here. Let me click here and click the bucket tool and select any color, and you can see the complete background I can change. Okay, this is what about merging. Sometimes we do not need two, we need only one. Like under heading 4, this is 2, this cell we want to merge. Okay, so what I can do, I can click this merge cell, and you can see this becomes 1. Some more data 2 and last data 2, those data is also there. So this is what we can do with merging cell. We can split cell something. Sometimes we need under this heading 2, this new data 1, we can go for we can make this cell 2. Okay, we can split this cell where new data 1 is written. So for that, you go and click this split cell. Then it will ask you how to split the cell, whether to split the cell horizontally or whether the split the cell vertically. So let me take it vertically and click OK, and you can see 2 cells are there. Okay, similarly I can go in the next cell and I can split the cell horizontally. I can go and click OK, and you can see we have two cells after splitting. So this is a very easy way to split the cell and work with the options available. Now once the document is ready, we can go for the printing option. So we want to print it. So before that, let me go to the file and see how it will look like. So page preview, if I click, then I can see how it will be after the printing. So this is our page preview. It is showing our pages all together. Once I am satisfied with that, I can you can see the close preview here. So once you are done with that, you can go and click the close preview. Okay, so we have done with the close preview. Now let me go to this file and print. So we have file and print option here. Yes. So once I click this option, this print option, you can see this print dialog box is there in front of me. You can choose the printer from here. You can see there are lots of printers are there. You can see printers. You can choose here. Here we have all pages, or you can select the particular page. So I can go for 1, then comma, then you can give for 3. So only 1 and 3 will be it will print and something like that. You can choose the pages from here if I click the pages option. Okay, and once you are done with that, you can click this print option. There are other options also. You can click the properties and you can see it is portrait. You can go for the landscape. In the advanced, if I click, then again it is paper size is it is showing A4. You can choose other options too. Okay, so this is what you can do with the print options. And once you are done, you can click print and it will give you the print. Let us create some envelope, and for that, so this is not creating envelope, we are creating the receiver and the sender. So let us do this. If you are sending it from to many person, then it is easy to create like this. So go to insert an envelope, and in the envelope we have already written something which is from different database we have included, and sender you can write like this from. So you can see I have written here from sender from Mr. Rajiv. Other things this so from Rajiv we are sending it, but the receiver may be a group of people. That can be done with the help of database. So you can select the database, selecting the proper table where you can get proper field names, and then pushing it into the address. So in the format also you can change the format. You can click the up and down arrow to see the change in the live window, and how you want to get the envelope, that also you can decide from here. It is print from top, it is written, so you can select this, and then you can go for new doc. Once I click the new doc, a new document will open like this. So let me see where I can. Okay, so this is my place where I can write something. So this is my envelope. I am creating the envelope. No need to write anything here. So from Mr. Rajiv, and then the name of this chapter actually we do not need. So I am removing the chapter, and also the author is also not needed. So let me remove the author. Okay. So with this name only I am sending file, and then click the print option, and it will ask your document contains address database fields. Do you want to print a form letter? Yes. Go for yes, and then it will ask you which option you want to select, whether you want to print it, output will be printer or a file. So go for the file, save the file first, check the file first, and then it is better to go for the printing. So save as a single document, click OK, and it will ask to save the file with some file name. So because it is an envelope, so let me write my file in one doc. It is initially saved, already saved one. You can take the saved one, or you can write a new name here. I'm going with the saved one. This is not a useful file for me, so click save button. So it will take a little time to save the file. Once I have, and it is printing, it is saving. So there are lots of letters. So you can see the letter count is increasing. So it was saved here. So let me go to my file, and here you can see my file in one. So if I open it, it will take some time. and you can see it is there. So name, it is not showing because I have deleted two fields from here. That is why let me go last. Yes, so the mistake I have done is that I have deleted that file, but it has created the list here. Okay, so here I have deleted, you could remember that I have deleted. So let me get it back, and let me go for the print option again and choose the file and click OK. It will ask for a name. I am choosing my old one and just wait for a few minutes. So now if I open the file, and you can see we have some names. Okay, some names are there repeated. Okay, you can see the repetition is there, but still, because the database that I have selected, the way I have selected it is not proper, I can say, or maybe repetition is there, that is why it is it has taken. So anyway, you can see the from is there, and to whom it is also very much clear that it has taken a different name, and these names we are getting from the database. So this is a very useful way to create your document, and then with the help of your database you can connect it. Let me close this on. I'm not saving it. Now let us print some label. So for that, go to the file, new, and create labels. We already have some label here from my database. We have selected table 1, and then we have name and city. Already we have that. Format you can choose, horizontal pitch and width, left margin, top margin. You can increase, you can decrease. While you increase, you can see the change in your right side. Okay, so sometimes it will show you, you can see the changes here. You can see the changes in your live preview. Okay, so let me not change anything, and options are there. Single field you can go for, or enter page you can select, synchronize content you can select. Once you have done, you click new document, and a new document with name and cities there in front of you. Okay, these are the name and city label. Let me close it. It's not taking it. Anyway, let me try to add something. So if I try to write something, so I'm modifying it a little bit like this. Okay, once you have done, then you can go and click the print. Yes, it will always ask, once you are connected with the database, it will ask, it will give you message that you are connected with the database. So we are saving the file. So I am saving the file with my labels in one doc, and Let me click save, and it will take some time. Now my labels in OneDoc, let me click that one, and once I open that, you can see we have some labels created in front of you with different names, like Suman, we are in your Jaipur. Kajal, we are in your Goa. Pinky, we are in your Guwahati. Apurva, we are in your Kota. Like this labels you can create. Somehow we have to I have to change the settings so that we do not get these blank pages. So this is how you can create labels. Once you have written your document, then it is better to save in a PDF format. So for that, go to the file, and then you go to the export. So locate the export here, and export as PDF. So I cannot find it here. Can you find? Yes, this is export as PDF. So if I click it, one window will come, and here create PDF form. All range you have to select, and here you can see this file format is not PDF. You can select the PDF. Okay, submit format is FDF, it is written, and there are user interface and links, security also. You can set password of that. So let not do this. Quality, it is 90% showing, that will be there. Export it. Once I try to export, it is try to save the file. Let me save the file. Let's go and check my file, and here you can see my new file. If I click, and you can see my document is there in front of you, which is very much in PDF format. So we can easily create a PDF file with the help of OpenOffice. It is better to protect your document, and for that we can set a password here in the document. So go to the file and then properties. Here we have our properties. So here we will be protecting the document. For that, go to the properties. Here we have security, and we want to protect it. So password we have to type and then confirm password. Let me give one password here. Same password, and OK, and then OK. So I have opened the file again. Let me close it. Do not save the file. Let me open my file here. Once I open the file, and if I try to change it, here the color of the text you can see, font color. Let me change it to white. So if I try to write, you can see one arrow is there, and it is showing inserted member and time it is showing. India, if I write, we are not happy to do this. Okay, so what exactly it is doing? It is recording the changes. Okay, it is trying to record the change, and here in the property window, once you go to the security, record changes Okay, it is recording the changes. So this is how you can identify the changes later on, which is done by the other user. So you can see, let me open the file, and you can see this is visible, and when it is inserted, that is also it is showing. In other text, if I take, it is not showing anything, but in the top of that particular text, if I take my cursor, it is showing when it was changed. Okay, so this is how you can protect your document. User can see and insert it, but the changes, it will be recorded here. So hope this video is clear your doubt, and please do practice it in your computer or inside the lab. Share the video with all those students who is having who have this IT as a additional subject in their curriculum. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. In the next video, we will be looking into our other aspects of digital documentation. Thank you very much once again.